There's a class called Convert. It's available underneath the system namespace. We have things like to.int32 or to single or whatever we want. Now, the difference between Convert and Parse is that Parse only accepts strings. Now, I'm showing you guys these method signatures. I don't expect you to understand them, but I do expect you to at least pull out one bit of information right here, and that is that it's saying string right there. Parse only accepts strings, whereas if I did a convert dot to, so let's say instead of doing int.Parse 1, I did convert.ToInt32, and I passed in 1. The difference is that a convert can go from a variety of different things. Again, I don't expect you guys to understand the method signatures, but I do want you to take a look at what we have right here in this listing. We have things like booleans and bytes and characters, which we haven't even talked about, date times and decimals and doubles and floats and ints and longs and objects. Just a bunch of different things that we can go from to int32, whereas a parse only goes to a string. Why would you want to use a parse? Well, there's a couple of reasons. First of all, parse provides a different kind of parse method, which we'll get to, that is useful when detecting if something is valid or not. And second of all, parse is slightly faster. And third of all, I think it looks prettier. So yeah, I just wanted to point out you will see int.parses and you will see convert.ToInt32s. They do pretty much the same thing. There are just a couple differences. Again, the biggest one is that ToInt32 supports a variety of more different kinds of types to convert from and to.